use our machine AxonV to do a nesting part. We are going to use our sophisticated vacuum table that allows you to place the parts without the need of any mechanical vise. We are going to use as well a wheel mill in order to enhance and increase the stability of the milled part in order to achieve the optimal quality. Wheel mill is already in place, so we are going to place our part as well. And after, we are going to use our Reniso probe in order to find the correct corner for the milled part and the rotation of the part. Using the side of the machine, we can clean the majority of the chips. Our parts are ready, no need for extra post-processing.